When I started here in the forging industry, I was exposed to everything, and I learned quickly how everything interacted, each department. We operate with 44 people here, and a typical day involves basically making sure that everybody that works here has the tools they need to do their job successfully. They deal with sales, engineering, operations, materials, maintenance. There's always something to tackle.
Once I got into it, steel was where I loved it. I love being in a forge shop. I love walking the forge shop, seeing things being created, being a part of a manufacturer of everything that's around us.
I'm a plant manager within the forging industry. We produce and ship approximately 300,000 forgings a day. We're looking for technically degreed college graduates, number one. We need folks that can come in and offer creative ideas, creative solutions, folks that enjoy making parts and making things, making stuff.
I think programming for me came as a natural type of job because I like to be able to use the creativity that I have in creating a solution for my users. Right now I've just completed a pretty large project on our pricing system.
Never underestimate the value of metallurgy. It's never going to go away. There's a high need in a lot of areas, and it's a hopping field. Great time to be in it.